guys, welcome back to CG. Today, playing Garden Van plushie cornhole, and this time we're going to 5. We're going to 5, and we're starting at 0, and I'm going first. Might have to give him some. Here we go. He's got some, and I've got some. My dad will hold the camera. We will take turns. There's a snail behind you.
There is. Slow Celine.
First whole scene line right now.
It's Celine.
Benito Chapter 5 monster. Oh! I just gave him a head concussion, but I still got it.
Do you want it back?
No.
Okay. Ooh, I'll take the cool kid.
Switched it in. You slam dunked it.
I'm not bad.
I used to like slam dunks. They were so fun back in the day with like the trash can and the juice ball. Oh. Wow. 2-1. That's still one more than you know.
This is true. Your math skills are correct.
First for man.
Did not.
So scared that he's gonna lose.
Did not have it a juice.
Like, oh
I like it a juice. Did not have enough of the
no. We're all
juice.
scared.
Not
We're
true.
super scared.
Mwah.
I just killed him by stabbing like.
Yep, you bounced up. Okay, what to do?
Yeah, he couldn't get out of the front door. He couldn't get the milk.
No. Too high. Rats.
I'm actually gonna watch him put it down. Okay, source for the win.
Oof.
It's 3-1.
It is. It's 3-1.
The cool kid's the only one you were actually able to get in. She's not even in there anymore.
Nope. Wait.
Birdie!
I've not found the field.
Birdie! Bird, the bird, and the bird, the word, and the bird is the word, and the word. Can you zoom in on this?
Sure.
Is it zoomed in?
Oh, yeah.
And the bird is the word, and the bird is the word, and the bird is the word, and the bird is the nerd. What? Oh! That definitely helped.
Sure did.
I'm about to win this game, guys. Bro, so mad.
Not even a little bit. Not at all. Just don't have the field right now.
Not too good.
Oof.
Maybe not
That was
well.
a tough one.
Catnap, you excited?
No.
He looks excited. He looks so happy.
4-1. 4-1.
His eyes are literally open.
4-1, Charlie.
His eyes are open.
Daddy makes a ferocious comeback. There it is.
There it isn't.
Bird. 4-2, Charlie.
Oh! Killed him!
No.
Right? That was like a headshot. I went right for the head, like a zombie. You think I'm gonna win, Jester? Oh, yes, I think we're gonna win. I don't know how to imitate Jester.
Boy. Heating up. 3-4.
I can still win. You know?
You most certainly
I still
can.
got a chance. Still got a chance if I can win. You stupid bird. So I might as well just swipe this guy because I think she's pretty good. Because you're not using it.
Let's see what this guy's got going on here. Yep.
Nope.
4.
4 to your mom.
Ooh, gross.
Bird. You son of a bird. You cannot make the sin, or else I die. And the end numbers. Is the game over, birdie? Yes! Yes! Thank you! You son of a bird! Thank you! my dad
It's
still
5
has
to 4. I get to try to. I get to try to tie. That's my guy Jumbo J. See if you can tie this
No, you
song
can't.
dance up. Ooh, sadly, you cannot.
He's so sad.
Good game.
Good game.
Here. Good game, handsome.
All right, hold on. Where's the bird? Birdie?
Let's play a fun game now. It's a new game I made up called
Yeah?
Put Your Plushies Back.
No.
You can't let see your head.
No.
Oh, you look nice. He doesn't look okay.
I do.
Nope.
What are you talking about?
He doesn't look okay.
What are you talking about?
Your face looks crazy.
No.
Yep.
What are you talking about?
You look real confused.
No.
Yep.
No.
You look like you ate some bad sushi.
That's such a derpy face.
You look very confused. Very
No.
concerned. Yep.
No.
All right, we've taken this video off road.
All right, guys. See you later. All right, guys. See you later. Let me know in the comments if my face looks derpy or not.
Yep, and please like and subscribe so we can save this poor, poor, unfortunate Opila Bird.
Yeah. All right, guys. I think we saved him. Actually, you know what? We saved him.
There we go. All
There we
right.
go.
Have a good night, everybody.
All right, guys. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh my goodness.
All right, guys. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.